This is Olli, and Olli is here. What is here? Well, the future of transportation, certainly urban mobility. This is an autonomous little people carrier, holds 12 people. It goes at about 12 to 15 miles an hour. In this case, it has taken us around National Harbor for about a mile and a half on its own. This really is around the world already in other countries, being what people are getting in. It's electric. It is in fact all printed. This is CNC printed on a gigantic printer. Very impressive to ride in. We took a ride in it a little while ago, and all I can say is welcome to the future.